In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a compelling post on Substack, incorporating images, audio, and video for a more engaging experience. First things first, let's get you signed in. Head over to substack.com and log in using your credentials. If you're new to Substack, you'll need to set up an account first. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the homepage, and that's where the real fun begins. Now let's dive into creating or editing a post. On the homepage, you'll notice a New Post button. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a fresh canvas for you to start crafting your content. Here, you'll be able to type out your thoughts, insights, and updates that you wish to share with your subscribers. Remember, your readers are here because they want to hear from you, so make sure the content you create is both informative and engaging. Next, it's time to enhance your post with multimedia. Adding an image is a breeze. You'll see a button labeled Add Image located conveniently within the editing interface. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to either upload an image from your device or choose from a library of available images, depending on your preferences. Adding images can make your post visually appealing and help break up blocks of text, making it easier for your audience to digest the information. Similarly, if you feel like a particular part of your message can be better conveyed through sound, you can add audio to your post. Just click the Add Audio button. Whether it's a podcast snippet, an interview, or even your own voice-recorded message, audio can add a new dimension to your post, offering a richer experience for your audience. And let's not forget about video, which is immensely powerful in capturing attention and conveying complex messages effectively. To incorporate video, you have a couple of choices. You can either upload a video file directly from your computer or embed a video from platforms such as YouTube or Vimeo. Simply click the Add Video button and you'll be guided through the process. Videos can be a fantastic way to explain concepts in detail, provide visual demonstrations, or even just to give your subscribers a break from reading. Once you've got all your media in place, take a moment to preview your post to ensure everything looks and plays perfectly. Make any necessary tweaks to ensure that your audience gets the full benefit of your multimedia masterpiece. And there you have it. You've just crafted and enhanced a Substack post with image, audio, and video elements. By following these steps, you can create a dynamic, engaging post that resonates with your audience, making full use of the diverse media options available on Substack. Thank you for watching, and happy posting!